Today let's learn about filter function in Python. So a filter function in Python takes a function and an iterable and it runs an item from the iterable based on some criteria. So let's take an example. Let's say we have a list of blocks here and I want to filter these blocks based on their name. Let's say I want to filter by create. So when I type create, it filters the main list of blocks and then it gives me only this block that matches this expression. Or I have these filters here. I can filter my blocks based on their tags. So this is an example. Okay, so let's say we have a list of blocks and each block have a title, an elevation and a video URL, and we can note that the last block doesn't have any video URL. So let's take an example. I want to get all the block list, all the blocks which has an elevation of above 4000. So how can we do that? X equal to, we can use filter, and here let's say my filter, and let's pass the block list. Okay, so we don't have my filter yet, so what we can do, we can define my filter, def my filter. So this will give you blog. So here we can write some condition. So if we return true from here, so that will match some cases and it will give us in this X. Okay, so what could be our condition? So we want all the list of blocks which has elevation of above 4000. So what I can say, if block dot get elevation equal to 4000, return true, else return false. So it should be my filter, a typo is here, and let's print this X. So we get a filter object. So the Python does this to save some memory. So we can wrap this inside a list so that we get a list, and let's run again. So here we should not get this trek to Capuche Lake because it has an elevation of less than 4000. Or I can change the condition. So now I should get only Capuche Lake, right? So let's run. So here we get Khomaidara, this trek to Korchum because it's equal to 4000, and then we get trek to Capuche Lake. Okay, so now let's say if we want only those blocks which has elevation less than 4000, and it should also have a video URL. So what we can say here, and block dot get video URL is not none. Let's run. So in this case, what we get is we get this trek to Korchum Khomaidara. So it's very simple. So my filter is nothing but a function that takes the element, it runs a condition on the element, and based on the condition it will return a list. So this is the definition of filter function in Python. Hit like if you like this video. Thank you.